QBTS stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether D-Wave Quantum stock is a buy or not for me. So I've seen like a 2% correction. Most of the market is down, so I have like a 5-6 outliers, 7 maybe, and they are green, but this is like 30 all red, so nothing unusual that this is also down. You could see it's quite counterintuitive with my idea here, so maybe it's going to be bullish. I mean, beforehand I've made so many receipts with QBTS, specifically in the Discord. I've had myself so many receipts. Doesn't want to load, but who screw that. I mean, more videos documented than anyone else in the space. And my 2 cents on this is going to be that, yes, previously I have all these links, and does not want to load right now, but it would only make sense for me if there's another shift here and another double break, so then I can be open-minded and take things up. If I don't see any sort of confirmation here, then me buying is just not going to be an option. And I know like people like to overcomplicate stuff, but it's just I'm looking to buy at a discounted price and follow my strategy that I've tested for 39,000 videos. It's really that all there is to it. So I will keep you updated, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter.